So guys, if you... Hey guys, what's up? What's up? I fixed an issue with this build and you should see the result of it at the later part of the video. Yes, this is my homing missile tank! Look what happened here. When I hit the jet, the aircraft's still flying and my tank, or should I say the harpoon, got stuck on it. I forgot to make a mechanism to detach the harpoon from my tank, just like on my future VTOL jet. Boom! So what I did is very simple. I adjusted the block that holds the harpoons. Then put a glue between the harpoons and the block. And I also turned off collision of the missile system. And the result is awesome and super enjoyable. Watch this! Right? By the way, I also added a dome hatch door for the driver's seat. Later I'll show you how to build this. So once again, look at the coolness of this tank. Details, mechanics, tank truck's design. This is so great! So guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell and please like and share the video. So now time for me to show you how I'll build the dome. Thanks for watching guys.